to just make a fucking A! God damn it!
Hi fellas, how are you today? Are you okay? I really hope so. Today we are going to create a malware. It's called the wiper, and the function of the wiper is to destroy the operational system. Okay, so I'm gonna create a very simple one. Okay, usually the most let's say professional wiper it's created in the C++ or assemble and etc. But we are going to create a simple one as much as efficient in using the Python. Okay, so let's go wiper.py import os import sys. We're gonna destroy all the file in the directory C. Okay, it's where the Windows it's installed, and we're going to destroy everything from the C. Okay, we're gonna to use efficient tool in the Python. It's the walk. Okay, it's walk through all the folders in the directory. In this case, all the folders inside the C. The root, dirs, it's three variables. The root, dirs, and files. You call whatever you want. I think call root, dirs, and file. It's more comprehensive to understand what those three variable means. And we're going to walk through the C for I in files. Let's take a look. Do you see? It's walking through all the files in the C. There's all the files. But as you can see, it's the file names. We need to access the path. So let's go file os path join root I. The root it's the path, and the I it's the file name. Okay, now if I print the file, you can see it's the path, and in the end it's the file. All the file accessing through the folders starting with the C. Try. Let's make a try, except to if get some error or some file it's running and then it's keep going. Otherwise the code would break. OS remove the file. Okay, except continue. There is it. We no need the sys in this case. There's just that 11 lines, and we created efficient wiper. So let's create a virtual environment to create the exe file, and then we are going to run it on the virtual machine. Let's try it on the Windows 7, but it will run as much as efficient on the Windows 10 and 11. It doesn't matter. Conda create name, let's call it wiper. Let's use the Python 3.8.10. Okay, it's the the Python that gonna run the exe file on the Windows 7 properly. Okay. Onda activate wiper. That's it. Pip list. Not inside, and we need to install only the PyInstaller, nothing else. Pip install PyInstaller, but we're gonna to call the version 4.10. There's it. Let's take an icon to make the file more nice when you take a look at the exe file. And I have the itsmail.icon, this image, and we have the code. Now we are going to create the exe PyInstaller, one file, window add icon. It's the ismail.icon. Let's call the wiper.py and run. Do not run on your own machine, because you're gonna destroy everything, and we don't want that. There is the folder. Dist. There is the wiper exe with 7 megabytes. Let's open on terminal, create it's to access the file in the virtual machine. I have opened it already. That's the Windows 7. Let's open the terminal and let's access. There's the file. There's the file wiper. And the happy face. Oh, that's so nice. What a nice icon. What a nice executable. Let's run it. And apparently nothing happened. Just the icon have changed here. It's not running. It's already it's running yet. There is it. It's not running anymore. So I'm gonna reboot the machine. Now I'm starting the computer again, the Windows 7, and it's broke. It's not running anymore. Okay, we have destroyed the Windows 7, and it's what the wiper does. So there is it. I hope you have enjoyed. Thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and ta-ta for now.